Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is November the 10th, 2022. We're going to talk about Palantir today and try to be serious regarding price action in the market for Palantir. I know a lot of people cover this particular stock, and for me, the coverage that we produce for Palantir is simply off of the price chart. And you guys can tell that the earnings for Palantir, which we're not surprised, wasn't good. You know, we were predicting that the market in Palantir was going to trend to the downside, and you guys can see it that literally happened. So this was a very successful price prediction. If we were to get out of the last trade of yesterday, that is around 12% profit. All right, so cut that out the way. Now let's talk, because there hasn't been any viable buyers in the market in Palantir since November the 1st, 2022. Here it is, the 10th, and price in Palantir has gone simply lower. Now the problem that I see for Palantir is where price currently is trading versus where we originally identified support. The market price currently is below that area, which means that we are in uncharted territory. The market here in Palantir is trading next to all-time lows, which occurred in May of this year. Will the market in Palantir come back down to the lows back here in May, which is right here? May the 12th, 2022, Palantir went as low as $6.44. Let's be serious. The market currently, last trade is at $6.98. So of course, we can see the market test the all-time lows in Palantir. Let's see what we have on a 3-day chart. Okay, so here it is. Let me put this arrow on here, and you guys can see how the market closed on this 3-day price bar. Down here at the bottom literally means that the market here in Palantir is not that strong. 5-day chart, take a look at this one. So could we possibly see the market in Palantir test all-time lows? For me, yes. Given what occurred on the 5-day price bar right here, and then again on the 3-day price bar right here. The buyers are not believing the market action in Palantir. Look at this 2-day price bar. As a matter of fact, this is even more indication that the market overall in Palantir is still weak, and the inability of the buyers to come in and close price above $7.20 still tells me that the market is still weak in Palantir. Be careful of the people who's telling you to come in and buy this stock right now, because the market is not buying it. They may be buying it, but it's not impacting the price in Palantir. There's a lot more sellers than there are buyers in the market in Palantir. So what we need to do, okay, what we need to do is still expect price to go down. Could we see the market hit $5 in Palantir? Is going to be on the agenda real soon, to where we're going to start communicating that it's very possible that we can see the market in Palantir hit $5. Okay, look at this on the 3-weekly chart. We have one more day and 10 hours, so today and tomorrow. If the price bar looked the way that it looks right here on the 3-day chart, we're going to look for price to go lower. Okay, so that is it. I am done. Then we're going to drop the price prediction in the market for Palantir. And from this perspective, we are holding this area as resistance, $7.20. That's the first area. But I am going to lift it up to around $7.50, which means that even if we do see price in Palantir go up to $7.50, we are not going to buck. We're still going to expect the market to go down. Okay, so let's say it goes up to $7.50 but begins to come back down, and let's say it holds $7.20, then yeah, we'll have to cut this prediction and play the long side if we see market action like that. But if the market in Palantir does this, gets rejected and breaks $7.20 to the downside, then it definitely lets us know that the market is still weak. Okay, so the first price target is going to be at the lows that occurred in May, which is around $6.50. That's around 7%. Okay, it's not much. Like I said, we can only go so low. The bottom, the absolute bottom is 0. So we're not going to get too much in terms of a crash or a plummet in the market in Palantir, because we are already literally trading towards $5. So I'm not going to put in too much of a price target into the market in Palantir, just simply looking forward to come in and try to test that all-time low that occurred in May. Okay, so this is it. Give me your thoughts. Let me know what you all suspect the price action in Palantir is going to do going into the month of December. And as always, hit the like button, share the video. Also subscribe here to the channel to ensure that you guys stay up on where prices are going to go without the confusion. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.